Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 101 squared minus 99 squared. Well, if we have something in the form a squared minus b squared, this can actually be written as a minus b times a plus b. Let's say we have x squared minus 2 squared, right? So this would be written as x minus 2 times x plus 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing with 101 squared minus 99 squared. So 101 would be a and 99 would be b. So this would equal 101 minus 99 times 101 plus 99. Now, 101 minus 99 is 2. So we have 2 times 101 plus 99. This is we carry the 1, carry the 1 again, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So this would be 200. So we have 2 times 200. And that is simply equal to 400. So 400 is our answer. And that's how you do this problem without a calculator. And this actually works for any problem in the form a squared minus b squared. You could simply just convert it into this form and solve it. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem. So we have 1 over m plus 1 over n is equal to 1 over m plus n. Now, let's first start by simplifying our left-hand side here. Let's add 1 over m plus 1 over n. So 1 over m plus 1 over n. If we cross multiply, 1 times n is n, plus 1 times m is m. So n plus m would be our numerator, and our denominator would be m times n. So n. So now we have n plus m over m times n is equal to 1 over m plus n. Now I'm going to cross multiply once again because we have another equation here. If I do that, we get mn times 1 is simply just mn this is equal to n plus m times m plus n, which is simply just m plus n squared. Now, if we expand this, we get m squared plus mn plus n squared. And this is equal to mn now this is actually 2mn. Now if I subtract by mn on both sides, two mn minus mn is simply just mn. So we get m squared plus mn plus n squared is equal to 0. Now I'm actually going to multiply both sides by 2. So we have 2 times m squared plus mn plus n squared is equal to 0 times 2. Now if we distribute the 2, we get 2m squared plus 2mn plus n squared is equal to 0 times 2 is simply just 0. Now, if we expand this a little, we could convert this to m squared plus 2mn plus n squared plus m squared plus n squared. And now this is equal to 0. Now this would be m plus n squared. This part right here. So now we have m plus n squared plus m squared plus n squared. And this is equal to 0. So now, if we set m equal to 0 and n equal to 0, then this also means that m plus n would be equal to 0, and that means that all of these combined would also equal 0. However, if we plug in 0 in this equation, well, we would have 1 over 0 plus 1 over 0. And you actually can't divide by 0 because you can see, if you try to divide by 0, you can't multiply anything with 0 to get 1. So this actually means that all of this is wrong and there is no solution.